Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys! And you know what that means? I'm going to share to you up and coming and new Louis Vuitton bag collection. Yes! So I will be providing you all the information that you need to know from names, product codes, product feature, prices, SKU, and the launch date. All you need to do, just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for orders and availability, kindly check the website and your CA. So guys, I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here, so please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. We're almost there. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, I'm happy to share the return of the Louis Vuitton x Murakami. So we are going to discuss exclusively bags for today. So we have Speedy Bandolier 30 in soft. Price is 4,400 USD. We have SK here. The material is of course the softer leather with cowhide leather trims. It would come with detachable leather strap, key clochette, lock and keys, and we are going to notice that the key clochette now has the stud detail, just like with the Neverfull MM. Price of this one is 3,250. And for this one, the size of the Neverfull is MM. So this is the interior. As you can see, it would also come with detachable canvas pochette, as we can see here. In the interior, they are maintaining the light colored interior to avoid the bleeding. Like for example, they're going to use the red one that they have used in the 90s. Then we have the very beautiful petite malle. Price is 7,250 USD. Material is of course the monogram canvas in the multicolor design of the Murakami, and of course it would have the trunk details. We'd also have the gold tone hardware. It would also come with detachable and adjustable leather vachetta strap. Anything that you're liking so far, guys? This one, how gorgeous. Travel Alma. So I'm guessing that this would be size GM or even larger. So price of this one is 5,750 USD. We have SKU here from the multicolor Murakami collection. So same material, the only difference with this one, as you can see, it has like the reinforced of the leather trims at the front with the pockets. Then it would come with detachable strap. Then guys, we have another trunk. So we have the Mal Vendome. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. So price of this one is 149,000 USD. So as you can see, this is where you are going to keep your precious jewelries, and there is one detachable trunk on the bottom part of the Mal Vendome. So next on the collection, so we have the very beautiful Speedy trunk size 20. So this one, so from the Murakami multicolor collection, this is how it looks like. Quarter view. Then once you open it, has the mallet touch interior. Then we have the two roll top candle. It comes with S-lock closure, and of course detachable and adjustable vachetta leather strap. Guys, I'm very happy to share this new coupon code provided to our very amazing partner, Zumoni. So this is going to be valid from November 22nd to December 1st. This is the Thanksgiving and Black Friday campaign. So you can enjoy up to 30% discount site-wide from November 22nd, December 1st with their new products, including 4 new silky organizers in silver, gold, neutral, and wine. So guys, just use my coupon code RAMIROFI2025 to enjoy the biggest sale, 30% off site-wide and free shipping on orders of 200 USD or more. So hope you enjoy your new Zumoni organizer, just how I am enjoying mine right now. Thank you, Zumoni! Alright, so next on the collection, we have the Nice BB. Guys, I super love this. So if you like this, get it right away. So price is only 1,770 USD. So what I love about the Nice BB is because you could actually attach a strap here, so you could convert this one from a toiletry pouch into a functioning bag. So it comes of course with 2 gold tone hardware for zipper. Then it comes with Alright, so next on the collection, we have the toiletry pouch 19. So currently, this is the only size that I have in the multicolor white. So of course, as you know, I do love my toiletry pouch 26. So this is the smaller version and the price is 885 USD. So you could use this one as a catch-all, but I recommend convert this one so you could use it as a clutch or even as a handbag. Next, guys, another super cute bag. So we have the Nice Nano. So other would be calling this an SLG, which I totally understand. So price of this one is 1,520 USD. So this is the interior. So of course, if you're going to ask me if, for example, given a chance, which would I would be purchasing, would it be the Nano or the BB? Then definitely I would be getting the BB. Carry all East-West price is 3,250 USD. We have SKU here. So of course, as you can see, materials monogram canvas in the multicolor white. The strap is fully detachable and it comes with, of course, the clochette that has the ribbon detail and the stud detail as well. So this one, I love the slouchy feature. And of course, this is an East-West version, so it's a little bit bigger, so you could put a lot of your stuff in. Then we have the on-the-go size PM. Price of this one is 4,300 USD from the Murakami multicolor collection. So of course, this is a PM size, a little bit smaller. It comes with unsheathed vachetta leather trims, as we can see here, detachable leather strap, and it comes with the key clochette and lock and key set as well. Then guys, how cute is this one? This one I highly recommend. Ivy wallet-on chain. So just be mindful since this is a wallet-on chain. So this is a smaller piece of bag. So price is 2,320. So maybe you could just insert your phone and a lipstick and a key. That's it. Then of course, material would be monogram canvas in the multicolor white with cowhide leather trims. Next on the collection, so we have the Horizon size 55. Price of this one is 4,250 USD. So this is the interior of the Horizon 55. So if I'm not mistaken, this is where you could actually store inside as a carry-on on plane travels. So this is the back side and then this is the front part. So you just have to be careful, of course, since this is color white, it is prone to color transfer or getting dirty easily. Then this one, guys, I would also highly recommend another toiletry bag. So the Cruiser toiletry bag. Price at 1,890 USD. We have SKU here. So what I love about this one, actually to me, it doesn't look like a toiletry bag. It kind of looks like a handbag, super chic and kind of reminds me of the 90s. Then we have the very beautiful slim trunk. So this one doesn't have the unsheathed or the vachetta leather trim. So same material of the coated canvas, but as you can see, it comes with a treated leather which is color white. I love, of course, the gold hardware of the slim trunk. So price of this one is 4,650 USD. Then guys, we have the balloon. So price of this one is not yet available. Once I have it, I will be posting on our community wall. But please take a screenshot of the SKU of 27790. So of course, classic balloon comes with two strap. It comes with detachable gold chain strap, which is super gorgeous, and leather strap as well. Then of course, it comes with the stud details. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? Which of the Louis Vuitton bag is your favorite? Kindly comment down below. I would love to hear your opinion on the new collection. Also, if you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-going fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!